Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy guide on how to rewrite on Chat GPT. If you want to make your Chat GPT service to rewrite a text or sentence, then simply keep watching the video till the end and you'll be able to learn exactly how. If you're watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button. Also, never miss an update by pressing the notification bell. Now let's get started with the video. If you want to make Chat GPT to rewrite a sentence or a text, simply go ahead and log into your Chat GPT service. Open up a web browser and type in chat.openai.com and log in. Once you are logged in, inside the new chat text box, go ahead and paste in or type in a text you'd like to make Chat GPT to rewrite. In the send a message text box, type in rewrite and enter the text or the sentence you'd like to rewrite with Chat GPT. Here, let me go ahead and select this sentence over here. Simply copy it up and paste it inside the Chat GPT text box. After you are done with it, tap the send button and you'll be able to see that the text that you just entered has been rewritten by Chat GPT. Similarly, you can also go ahead and write down any articles that you'd like to rewrite. All you need to do is to type in rewrite and paste in the sentence or the article you'd like to make Chat GPT to write again. That is how you can easily rewrite a text or a sentence or even an article in Chat GPT with a simple command. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.